Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G, that's me, the hijabi from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making stewed pigeon peas, which is a very popular Caribbean dish. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification button as well so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And also be sure to comment below and use the hashtag shoutout if you want to get a shoutout in my next video. And of course, stay tuned to the end of this video to see who's going to get a shoutout in this video. So for my pigeon peas recipe, I'm going to be using dried pigeon peas that I soaked overnight and pressure cooked this morning. But you can use canned pigeon peas or fresh or even frozen peas if you like. And I'm also going to be using pimento, some hot pepper, garlic, shadow benny, onion, pumpkin, tomatoes, coconut milk, thyme, all-purpose seasoning, and some paprika. And not shown in the video, I'm going to be using coconut oil, sugar, ketchup, and golden ray in the recipe. So to start things off, I'm going to heat the oil in my pot and then I'm going to add the brown sugar. Heat is on medium, and once the sugar starts bubbling and looking golden brown, nice golden brown, like the color you want your stew to look like, I'm going to be adding the pigeon peas to it. I'm going to be mixing up well to coat it with caramelized sugar. Now be very careful because you can get burnt very easily here. Next, I'm just going to cover the pot for like 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add, after which I'm going to add all the other ingredients except the golden ray, and I'm also going to be adding some water to the pot as well. So I'm going to give it a quick stir. I'm going to reduce the heat, cover the pot, and let it simmer for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to be checking in between and adding some water if necessary until the peas are nice and tender. And I want it to cook properly until most of the water has evaporated and the sauce has thickened up nicely. In the last few minutes of cooking, I'm going to be adding some green seasoning, some golden ray, which is totally optional. I know some people say no at all to that, but I just love the flavor it gives to dishes, so I'm going to include it, but that's totally optional to you. And 35 minutes later, I have myself some stewed pigeon peas. That's a very simple recipe for an amazing tasting dish as you can enjoy with rice or macaroni pie or provision or even some stewed chicken. So I hope that you enjoyed this very short video. It's my version of stewed pigeon peas. How different do you make it from me? Comment below and let me know. But before I go, I must of course do the shout outs. So the first shout out is going to go to Nakisha Benjamin. Thanks so much for watching my video. The second shout out is going to go to Saida Khan. Thank you guys a million for watching my previous video, and I hope you continue to watch all my videos to come. So once again, I hope you give this simple recipe a try. Be sure to try to share with all your friends and your family, and stay tuned to more videos to come.